Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not installing on mobile. First, let's ensure your device is ready. Confirm your mobile device meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, which typically include a recent operating system version like Android 5.0 or iOS 9.0, and at least 1 GB of RAM. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, to avoid download interruptions. Finally, check for and install any pending operating system updates on your phone or tablet. Next, let's address storage and network. Roblox requires sufficient space, so free up at least 1 GB of internal storage on your device by deleting unnecessary apps or files. Sometimes, network issues are the culprit. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one connection works better. If you're on Wi-Fi, a quick restart of your router or modem can often resolve connectivity problems, ensuring a smooth download process. Now we'll tackle app data. Go into your device's settings, find the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and clear its cache and data. This can resolve issues with the store itself. If Roblox partially downloaded, do the same for the Roblox app. Clearing this data often fixes corrupted download files. After performing these steps, it's crucial to restart your mobile device completely to apply all changes effectively before attempting the installation again. Finally, let's try a fresh start. If Roblox was partially installed, completely uninstall it from your device. Then, attempt to reinstall Roblox directly from your device's official app store, whether it's the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. This ensures you get the latest, uncorrupted version. If after following all these steps, you still encounter installation problems, your best course of action is to contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.